Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. Faith moves mountains. When you have faith in Sai, all your calamities will be warded off. Keep chanting Sai, Sai. Sai says, ask me with faith and wait patiently. Whatever you wished for will be granted, and whatever you receive from me will last forever. In today's video, we'll be continuing the story of Megha, Ganges bath, and drawing of trident and installation of Pindi. On one Makara Sankranti day, Megha wanted to besmare the body of Baba with sandal paste and bath him with Ganges water. Baba was first unwilling to undergo this, but at his repeated request, he accepted. Megha had to traverse a distance of 8 kos to bring the sacred water from the Godavari river. He bought the water, made all the preparation for the bath at noon and asked Baba to get ready for the same. Then Baba again asked him to be spared from this bath, saying that as a fakir he had nothing to do with Ganges water. But Megha did not listen to him. He knew that Shiva is pleased with Abhisheka on that auspicious day. Then Baba said, "Oh Megha, do at least this favor. Head is the most important organ of the body, so pour the water over that only. It is equivalent to the whole bath." "All right," said Megha, and lifted the water pot up, began to pour it on the head. But in doing this, he was so much overwhelmed with love that he cried out, "Har Har Gange," and emptied the pot on the whole body. He kept the pot aside and began to look at Baba. But to his surprise and amazement, he found that only Baba's head was drenched, while the body quite dry. Drawing of trident and installation of Pindi. One morning when Megha was still lying down on his bed with eyes closed but internally awake, he saw clearly Baba's form. Baba, knowing him to be awake, threw Akshita and said, "Megha, draw trident," and disappeared. Hearing Baba's words, he eagerly opened his eyes, saw no Baba there but only rice grains spread here and there. He then went to Baba, told him about the vision and asked permission to draw trident. Baba said, "Did you not hear my words? Asking you to draw trident, it was no vision but direct order. My words are always pregnant with meanings and never hollow." Megha said, "I thought you woke me up, but all the doors were closed, so I was doubtful and thought it to be a vision." Baba rejoined, "I require no door to enter. I have no form. I always live everywhere. As a Vayapulla, I carry on all the action of the man who trusts me and merges in me." Megha returned to the Vada and drew a red trident on the wall near Baba's big picture. Next day, a Ramdasi Bhakta came from Pune, saluted Baba and offered him Pindi, a phallic image of Shiva. At this time, Megha also turned up there. Baba said to him, "See, Shankar has come. Worship him now." Megha was pleasantly surprised to see the Pindi. In a few days after the drawing of the trident was complete, Baba installed the Pindi near the big picture which Megha was worshipping. The worship of Shiva was dear to Megha, and by drawing of the trident and the installation of the Pindi, Baba confirmed his faith therein. Bow to Sri Sai. Peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.